Twin Fireworks.
And I'm Sarah.
Well, we have two products today again, so let's open them. The first one is Revolution's Roar. It's a 200
gram. Yep,
yeah,
200 gram.
12 in one.
Mhm.
And then the second one is
Battlefield Blaze. It's a 1-1. It's 250 shots. So let's get excited. So
yeah, I'm excited.
we have two brand new things back in again.
All right. Oh, I like this. Okay. All right, so
Two is Revolution's Roar. It's 16 shots, 200 grams, as we said.
okay. I like the packaging a lot.
Yes, it's
yeah.
it's very cool.
Yeah.
So right for this.
Isn't this the draft was coming from your daughter
Yes,
Addie?
my Addie who started the inspiration for it, and we
Yeah.
tweaked it, but she started the inspiration and came up with that. So.
Yeah, and we fine-tuned it, so
We
that's
fine-tuned
great.
it, yeah. And
So this has a family touch in this.
yes, it does. Yes.
Yeah, so.
That's really cool. So that's gold willow, and with blue and gold willow, and then red, white, and gold as well. So lots of red, white, and blue. Beautiful. It's really a beautiful, nice 200 gram cake.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy too for a 200
It's
grams.
16 shots.
All right, well, let me move that out of the way. Oh, yeah, heavy.
Yeah. The next one is Battlefield Blaze. It's 250 shots. So, yeah, we'll get to it and show you what it's done.
Big cake, huh?
Yeah, it's a real big cake.
Oh, wow.
It's 1-1.
Oh, yeah, this takes two people.
Yeah, it is. Yep, it's nice and
Right.
big. So it's a zipper cake.
Okay.
So it starts out with the
Right here.
red, white, and blue. And then red, white glitter, red to blue. Then has stars.
It's pretty heavy.
And then shots. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah,
Long shot.
somehow this reminds me of chocolate.
Yeah. But yes, it's all red, white, and blue.
Yeah.
Very
Oh, yeah.
cool. It's a very, very cool cake. Has a neat, different kind of patterns.
Yeah, I feel it on my
so it'll
arm.
be good to show this year.
Yeah, it's
And that's Battlefield Blaze.
alrighty. Well, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Visit www.twinfireworks.com or email info@twinfireworks.com to buy. Don't forget to subscribe to the Twin Fireworks channel and like and share our video with your friends.